DV System's ProDry air dryers are controlled by an internal microprocessor, which is programmed with a variety of parameters to control various functions of the unit, including the fan, auto drain, and refrigerant compressor. ProDry air dryers feature a unique variable speed condensing fan aligning dryer operation with air demand, automatically turning the unit off when not in use, maximizing energy efficiency. This tutorial explains how to access, verify, and alter, if necessary, the parameters of the ProDry air dryer in order to reset it to factory specifications for proper functioning. If a problem occurs, an initial check should involve ensuring all parameters match factory settings. If any parameters have changed, perform a reset to factory settings and verify whether the problem persists. The ProDry microprocessor control panel includes 5 keys and a 3-digit display with 3 signaling LEDs. The digital readout, which under normal operation indicates the dew point of the unit as well as fault codes. Dew point is displayed in numerical values, Celsius or Fahrenheit, or in graphical values, shown as bars. The on-off button, used to turn the unit on and off. The test button, when pressed for 3 seconds, tests the condensate auto drain by activating a condensate drainage cycle. The set button, used in accessing and changing the operating parameters. The up and down buttons, used in accessing and changing the operating parameters. The DP1 light, on constantly when the refrigeration compressor is running. When programming mode is activated, DP1 is blinking. The DP2 light, on constantly when the condensate auto drain is energized. The DP3 light, on constantly when the speed of the fan is 100%. When fan speed is less than 100%, the DP3 light blinks. The DP3 light is off when the fan is off. The control panel is locked to ensure parameters are not needlessly altered. Default access is limited to C8, the time between condensate drain discharges in minutes, and C9, the duration of discharge in seconds. Before unlocking the unit, ensure the readout shows the dew point of the unit, and not values for C8 or C9. Pressing the buttons while the value for C8 or C9 is still showing will adjust these values, something not to be done. To unlock the board, press the up and down keys simultaneously for 10 seconds. Wait for the code PON to appear and then release. Once the board is unlocked, press and hold the set button for 10 seconds until C1 is displayed. C1 will be visible on the readout, followed by a value for C1. Pressing the set button a second time will make C2 visible on the readout, followed by a value for C2. Go through all the parameters, making note of both the C number and the corresponding value. To adjust a parameter, go through the above procedures until the corresponding value is on the readout. Press the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the value. The change must be made within 15 seconds. Once the value has been changed, press the set key for the value to be entered in the program. The set key must be depressed within 10 seconds of changing the value. It is important that parameters only be adjusted if expressly required. Adjusting parameters could affect the performance of the unit and could ultimately result in unit failure. Thank you for watching the troubleshooting video series, ProDry Air Dryer Control Panel Operation.